We'll guide you through how to make a carousel post on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Instagram carousel posts are super cool. As you can see, here's one I've already done. So it allows you to have multiple photos and videos in one post. To go and make one, go to the bottom of Instagram and click on the plus button in the middle. Go and select post at the bottom. Now what you need to do is just go to the right of where mine says recents and just to the left of the camera icon and you'll see two squares. Click there. That allows you to select multiple. Now what you can do is start selecting the photos or videos in the order of how you want them to appear in the carousel. And yeah, once you've selected them all, click on next in the top right like this, and you can then go and add filters. And then what you can do is click on next in the bottom right. What you can do is add a caption and then go through the different options as you would when you go and post on Instagram. And when you're ready, you can then just go to the bottom and go and click on share, like so. Now it'll go and take a moment to upload. Let me just go and refresh. And shortly it's going to go and appear in your feed. As you can see, there it is. And then you can go and flick through it and go and see them. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.